How to restrict or unrestrict someone on your Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can restrict or unrestrict someone on your Facebook. Now before we begin with this, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. Now to restrict or unrestrict someone, you will need to use your Messenger app instead of the Facebook app. So open up your Messenger and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're there, you should see the Messenger's interface. Simply head over to a profile that you want to restrict. Now this is the person I want to restrict. Tap on his or her names on the top. And after you're there, you can simply scroll down and under privacy and support, you'll find the restrict option. Tap on restrict and confirm the restriction. Now after you've done that, you have just restricted this person. Now to unrestrict, you can simply search for this person on the top and head over to the chat section and simply stay in chat. Head over there and you have unrestricted this person. Now what you can do other than this to unrestrict him is simply head over to the menu of your Messenger app, head over to the settings, and after you're on the settings, you will see privacy and safety. Head over there. And after you're there, you can simply scroll down and you will see the restricted accounts. Head over there and simply select this person and unrestrict him. And yeah, you have unrestricted this person. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you can restrict or unrestrict someone on your Facebook. And that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more